All right, so we're back. We're gonna do a whole bunch of dumb shit. So, yeah, I just put that little banner behind Ralph because I thought it was pretty funny. We're gonna go ahead and hide that. So, let's take a look at where we ended yesterday. We had the driveway scene here. We got Ricada, we got DSP, and we got Ralph. And, alright, so... Oh, shit. I'm gonna get some shit straight on my screen over here. There we go. How's it going, Phoenix? Great name. Alright, awesome. So I'm going to pause that music so we can hear the wonderful music that plays when I run this scene, and we'll demonstrate what's going on. Man. It's a happy Wednesday today. Alright, so we're felted and we load the game. And what we can see... Alright, so we have Ralph. We can click on him and move him around. We can then click on DSP and move him around. We can't move Ricada because he is not a player, he's an enemy. So we'll now cross paths with Ricada, and he goes in to fight us. So you can see DSP and Ralph receive damage because they were both in the radius. It's now Ralph's turn. And I have free range of the camera again. That was something we fixed yesterday. It would get stuck. But now I can use his skills. Can I move? I can move. Awesome. So we did fix that. Let's use the kill stream kick. Okay, so that's still broken. Hardened Gunt does work, though. And we'll end the turn. It's DSP now. So let's use his beg. And that causes everyone to give him a random amount of money. But that didn't go away. We gotta fix that. And then we'll use Snort, which summons a big nose to heal DSP. Also, this is an updating. Okay, and Ricada's stuck in the exit turn state. So let me get a notepad open and we'll start writing some of this down. Ricada is stuck in the exit turn state of Rooney. What else is wrong? DSPs text for spells don't done go away. That's a big massive issue right there. I don't want to save it. I just hit that button because I got muscle memory. Okay, nice. So let's turn this back on. There we go. Awesome. Hopefully it's not like blasting loud on the whatever, on the stream. Okay. DSP's text for spells don't go away. Let's fix that first. Why are they not going away? Who knows? I'm just going to Control F text because I know it's going to be that property. Oh, it's not that property. What? State label. Let me just Control F. Actually, I think that's part of our player. What do we... Oh, that's right. It'll be in our player class. I'm an idiot. Let's go down. And if we find text somewhere in here, I'm setting the text property of the state label. That's not the one I want though. Flyaway text, that's when we get hit. Should be in here somewhere. Alright. Oh, you know what? I bet it's on the, let me take a look at the actual DSP thing when we instantiate stuff. Are we getting rid of DSP props? Let me go here. Where should we get rid of the DSP props at? Should we do it when he exits his turn? Oh, also, yeah, the spell A wasn't working, right? For whatever reason. Here is the spell you are looking for. Let's see. Here's the spell you were looking for. I guess that one didn't work though. So let's go here. That one is correct. I guess maybe we didn't have... Oh no, they both did work. That's right. It was Ralph's that didn't work. Let me add that to our list real quick. Ralph's kick was broken. Sorry, I'm gonna forget about that if I don't add it in now. Fuck, I keep trying to I keep trying to save the damn thing. Okay. So where is that text coming from? We have this thing called an intention arrow, and that's like to show like where we're attacking, and that has text above it. Oh my god. Alright. Intention arrow right here. Player intention arrow. And that looks like this. It'll give the spell name, the radius, and the position of where it's attacking. So that's not going away. And I think we need it to. Yeah. I guess we should just do... where is it being summoned from? I guess if we go back to DSP, intention arrow dot instantiate. So yeah, we're still left with this. Where do we want to remove these props from? I think I'll do it. I'm going to go here. Let's go to our game manager and see where we move to the next turn. I think what I'm going to do... let's see. Start turns, request, update, process. I need increment. I need when it goes from one turn to the next turn. And I'm going to remove all the player props because that way I don't have to do it for each model. Increment turns, awesome. So I'm going to say for props in get tree dot get nodes in group, right? Get nodes in group, and we'll get the group turn props. And yeah, we'll just go through and we'll say props props.queue free. Props.queue free. Awesome. So that way we can get rid of all the props. What's the problem here? Wonderful. There we go. Okay, so let's go ahead and add stuff to turn props instead of having, I think like each individual player has their own thing we're adding it to. I'll go back to DSP and I'll just, oh shit, should be turn props. Awesome. I'll grab that and let's do that for this as well. Yeah, sorry, I was thinking about something about how long the coin lasts, and then if we delete these at the end of the turn, it's still gonna stay up there, so we should actually make these their own thing. DSP props. Yeah, it's actually the wrong thing to do, because they're not gonna all go at the same time at the end of the turn like I thought they were. I was just thinking about the animations, so we're gonna have to actually change that back. DSP props, and then we'll actually go through and delete this group later. Let me go back to my game manager, and I'm just going to do this. DSP props, and we will Control X, and yeah, we'll go probably not to our player class. It's going to have to be on our animations. Let's see. When we do, okay, talking C, that's when we finish, so all we have to do is delete it then. So when our animation finishes for that action, that like turn action, us doing the snorting, then we'll delete all of our props. So, nice, I think that's going to be a good solution. Okay, let me give that a shot. Right, because they're both using the same animation. Awesome, let me try that now. It's going to take a second to load. Awesome. Good content. Felt it. We load the game. We're in it to win it. I'm going to pause this music and we'll come over here.
I'm coming for you.
We'll get in a fight with Ricada. Our camera's locked. That's good. That means we can't move it. We get hit by the Havanagala. It's time for old Ralph Mail. So what do we need? That's right. His kick is still broken. So we're just gonna end the turn, and then this doesn't update. Let's do this. Character. Active character image does not update. Active character image doesn't update. All right. So we're back in it. Let's see if this works. All right, that way it left that time. Nice. So let's try the. I'm actually gonna make DSP move so we can see the nose this time. So you can see he gains +5 health. Nice. And then that one went away too. So I need to get rid of this. That's kind of a bug. We need to remove the select enemy text for spell B, I believe. Shit. Alrighty. So that's going good. What else do we need to do? Well, we can get rid of that one. We fixed that one. Ricada stuck in the exit state of Rooney. Let's fix that. Okay, what happens on Nick Ricada? Take hit, turn action. That's interesting that our if we take a hit, we move to turn action. That's very strange. I thought we would move to something else. Let's take a look at enemy class. So this is a big ass long class just because I have like all the targeting functions for the enemies in here. But really, all I need to look at is the state machine. So we have this turn-based right here. I guess we're stuck here. So when we should be going back to turn-based. Okay. Check for dead enemies. If our target is dead, we reassess. If our increment strategy is this type. Yeah, basically the way I look through players is, let me go back to the fucking driveway scene. So it's gonna like look for the lowest health player, and then it's gonna look for the spells that can attack. Like if it can get 2 or more players that they can kill, then it will go for them. So if he can use the ranged attack in here, and he's like, oh, my attack has range, it'll try and get both of them. If not, it's gonna go for the lowest health enemy, and then I think if none of those conditions are met, like if they're both the same health, it'll just randomly pick one and attack it. So it's like, look for the lowest health enemy, try and get 2 if you can, try and get 2 or 3 or more or whatever, but if you can't, just go for the lowest health one. So that's how the AI works right now. And yeah, basically all of that, and it puts it in like a list, and then I think it actually puts it in a dictionary or something. Increment strategy. Let's take a look. Control F. Yeah, so increment strategy is like it's a dictionary that holds like what we want to do for that turn. So it'll be like our spell that we're going to use. It'll be which gives us all of our information about like how much it's going to attack, how much it's going to take in battle points and all that. So when we attack, we play the animation, and then after the animation finishes, we have this animation here. Are we using this one, or are we using the one, we should be using the one here, right? Yeah. Why would we return to turn action? Interesting. I guess it behaves differently because we don't know if we're gonna have another attack. Because normally it should return to, I would return it to turn-based, because that's just like where we stand and do nothing, but turn action actually does something. So it's like, why are we returning to something that's not idle? But it would make sense if we have like more logic to follow. Awesome. So what I think I need to do is when we exit the state. Oh my gosh, where the fuck is it? Yeah, great. When we're in exit turn, Control F. Exit turn. Increment turns. Awesome. So await. Awesome. I think what I'm going to do here is just say anim player dot. Actually, can't we just say next state equals turn based? Because we're based. Yeah, because the turn based state, if I go up and take a look, should just do nothing. Awesome. Yeah, I just wanted to play an idle fight animation. It also plays a random voice clip, but whatever. That'll be fine. He'll just play one when he exits and when he leaves. But that way he'll have a fight animation going on at least. Yeah, I hope they do. Oh yeah, alright, so let's try that. That should return Ricada back to his state. The active image doesn't update. And Ralph's kick was broken. Let's fix Ralph's broke-ass legs. They got beaten up in Portugal. Now they don't work anymore. Let's go to the player class. I think, let's actually just go to... Where's our buddy Ralph? We don't even have him. Let's go to our driveway scene, and then we can get him from there. Right here. I just want to make sure it's the right script. Kill stream kick. Animation play kick C. So why isn't it playing? Let's just print. We got here, and I'm gonna do it. We can't do it there. We have to do it right here. We got here to the kick, and I'll just do this. Control C, Control V. We got here to the spell. And if this doesn't work, it's probably because of, oh, you know what? That could be maybe possibly some other reason. I don't know. I'm not like a smart guy or nothing. Let's see. I like the way that looks a little bit better. So let's try that and see what happens. It's going to take a second to load. Do I ever plan on trying to make something commercially? Probably this. I'll probably eventually turn this into like some type of actual game and maybe try and sell it or something. I have a full-time job as like a CNC operator type guy, and it's like that pretty much pays my bills, and then I do this for fun, and it's like it's very hard for me to sit in a seat all day and like work on computers, so it's like it's better for me to be up and moving around. I don't know if that sounds stupid, but it's just what I prefer.
Make fun of me all you want. Have fun. Make fun of me all you want. I don't care.
Alright, so we got Ricada coming in. Yeah, he hits DSB. What are our problems? Okay, so he's back in turn-based. So, is that pretty steady? Yeah, turn-based right there. And my strategy for making this commercial is getting cows that are too poor to sue me. I think Ricada is right now. I think DSB is. Ralph for sure is. Yeah, and plus I don't think DSB would try. I don't know. But yeah, I'm just doing fun shit. Okay, so let's try the kick. We got here to the spell, so we're not getting... we're not getting to the kick. Why is that? Let's print out the spell. If I put this in here, print here be the spell. And then we'll put spell. How's it going, even Steven? Let's try this again. Yeah. Good old Ralph the Gunt. I tried to give them some unique like fighting stances and shit. I tried to make DSPs a little more girly, and Ricada's got kind of like a Naruto type deal. We got King Cobra JFS. I'm gonna put him in next because he's like, of course, one of the favorite cows. One of the true heroes of our time. King Dave. I would love King Dave to be in here. What is he, 5'3"? Did he ever get with the fat girl, or? King Dave is a hero. Oh no. Ricada's gonna use a multi-attack, I think. Bam. Okay. So he hits us. I remember that we need to test Ricada's other attack. Let's get rid of this. We'll say test Ricatia other attack. Yeah, I mean, with the amount of streams they did together and the amount of shit he went through, I really hope he did. Kill stream kick. Awesome. So here be the spell. Oh, we need to do this. Match spell 0. We need to match the first index. We can't match the entire list. There we go. That should fix it. Kino's on tonight too, I think. They might be on right now. I'm gonna watch it tomorrow on my lunch break, so, and throughout the day. I saved them for my trips to work and shit. It's like the best. Alright, so we got Ralph's kick fixed, I believe. Active character image doesn't update. That's a minor thing. We need to remove the select enemy for spell B. Let's go ahead and do that. So on spell A, we need to overwrite for spell B in Ralph's script as well. Alrighty, let's go to our player class. Where you at? Right here. Let me go back. Let me play some stoner music. Here we go. Oh wait, no, Trees in the Breeze. There we go. Hell yeah. We can get rich with some seltzers in there. I do actually have a review tech model. I gotta put him in. I got iDubbbz too. I got iDubbbz. I want to make a Nisa. I want to have them be a power couple. I want to have like a move for iDubbbz called like Cuck or something, and it powers up a Nisa. I think that would be fucking hilarious. That would be so good. Yeah, dude, the fucking Canada is gone. I don't know, like, the just like insane shit. Like, the politicians being like, you have no right to, why would you want to defend yourself? You have no right to self-defense. And then, like, they're just like, we're actually a nationless country. We don't even have a nation anymore. Just give it up. Just surrender the nation to the World Economic Forum. Why not? It's literal insane shit. Yeah, not to get political. Alright, what the fuck was I doing? That's right. I got my little list over here. We got big problems to attribute. We need to fix Ralph's kick. We can't fix the world's problems. Where the fuck is it? Player class. Awesome. I just need to copy what's in here. Where's our spell B? Attack with spell B. We're gonna grab this and Control X and bring that into the Ralph Mail. There we go. Yeah, at least Canada didn't shut down the the power to whatever. Oh yeah. Damn, Hassan is not doing so good. He's been kicked off Twitch. But, I mean, you know, that's to be expected for all the shit he was saying. Alright, so I basically just need to grab this right here. Spell B pending. I don't like how that's there. Ralph will go back. Hassan is someone I could definitely not put in the game because they would, like, sue me into oblivion. That guy's got a lot of fucking money. But now that US aid is gone, I wonder how much of it's going to dry up. You know, that's a good question. So let's try again and see. So now Ralph's attack should work. Let's stop the stoner music. Alright, we'll load the game. We'll click on...
Fucking word. I'm coming for you.
You know what's really sad is how far gone Ricada is on the last show when you just like heard him talking and like he doesn't make any sense and it's like, man, this guy used to be able to like captivate an audience and now it's like, Ricada, what's your name? I don't know. All right, kill stream kick, awesome, it works. Oh yeah, Fuzi, he spent all of his money on the record album. So it does update once I move, but we have an error right there. I also like the sound it makes. We can still use... yeah, we need to show our battle points somewhere bigger and make sure they subtract the Baldo King. I gotta... yeah. Alright, so... what else are we doing? I'm getting distracted. Okay, so that's going there. We need to remove the select enemy text. Test Ricada's other attack. So how can we lure out Ricada's other attack? And what is it? Let's take a look. I have them saved somewhere here. So if we look at Ricada, we have Lick the Bottle and Lawyer. So we might have to make a bottle and blender real quick. Let's look. Do we have an attack? Nicrocatiata. Spell C. If we go to... we might have to go to the enemy class. Ability B. So this is like a whole bunch of branching logic to determine, and I gotta find a better way to do this because this is like probably not great, but I'm basically checking the values in my increment dictionary that are like telling me what to attack, and based on those values, I'll either attack with a different spell or something else. But it's like, you can see all these branching paths in there that look, yeah, I gotta find a better way to do that. So... because right now that's like really fucking hard to debug for sure. But we'll close that and we'll figure out. You know what I can do is just make his attack cost a whole bunch of points. So that way he can't use it. I think we'll do it that way. Let's go to the, I think it's corrected.txt. No, it's going to be fixed stats. Latest, I believe. This has all the stuff. So Lick the Bottle, caster only. Nick licks the final drops of sweet liquor from the bottle, healing him. Awesome. And there should be a cost to it somewhere. Where is the cost? Spell, location, description, magnitude, magnitude effect, range, damage, type, critical chance, cost. Alright, so which fucking one is that? Oh my god. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's the 10th. Okay, so yeah, we gotta get the 10th. Oh no, we just, yeah, what am I even doing? I gotta go back to where I was. Latest, let's get the 10th thing over here. Lick the bottle. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We're just gonna make this like 1, and then let me do it over here too. I gotta make that one really high. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We're gonna make this like 40. So that way he's gonna use the Lick the Bottle, and we'll see if that one actually works. Or if he just ends his turn, that could be a thing too. Awesome. Yeah, Ricada's doing great. Damn, he had oil money too. His family had oil money. Supposedly, I don't know the whole lore. I heard that his parents were like lawyers for some type of oil company, and just a very boring whatever job. I know some people that make good money doing that shit, just like, I don't know, lawyer stuff for banks, and they're like super rich. So
Have fun. Make fun. Have fun. Make fun of me all you want.
I think he's gonna do it. Here we will use the lick the bottle ability. So I guess I don't have that coded in. So he's just going to keep on approaching DSP in this fashion. You can't approach the king like that. I love DSP flexing on him. Yeah, what are you going to do, DSP? You're going to get knocked out. Alright, let's address that. So I just need to control F. And we'll go to the enemy class. I'm sure it's in here somewhere, right? Control C. Control V. What the fuck? I need this. Can I copy? Can I paste? There we go. Awesome. So we do have that. We just need to fix it. Nice. So basically all we need to do, we are going to have to do this. Announcer, form attack, increment strategy, spell. Do we have one for lick the bottle? Hopefully. Maybe not. If not, I'll just use the same voice clip. I did the voice clips anyway, so I'll just have to make a new one. We're going to have to grab a new animation. And I'm actually going to jump into Blender really quickly and make a bottle. Oh, you know what? I actually have a bottle that we can use. That's really funny. I just have to find it. Let me see if I can find this really quickly. It's just going to take a second. I think it's in... Let's see, Barbara's Gate. Crack Shack. Okay. I hope this is the right one. It might not be. No, I don't think it is, but it might have it. I'm just showing it off because I think this is cool too. So this is an area I was making for the game. We got Ralph here. We got his Mexican Crack Shack. And then we had this bottle of liquor. But these aren't the bottles that I made. I made one with a cool label, and I made a better one than this. So we're gonna have to find that scene. Don't save. Oh man. Okay, yes, here it is. Awesome. So this is the second version of the Ralph's Crack Shack that I made, which I'm much more proud of. We're still working on it, but yeah. This is going to be like the scene where Ralph is getting kicked out of his shitty little tin shack in Mexico. We got some stuff on the inside, still working on it. But I got the Sonichu medallion, some medicine bottles. And then here's the thing I was trying to show off. We got a Big Grift Brew. So that's going to be perfect. We have the Sonichu medallion right there. And then we got a, what is this? Oh no, it's Ralph's favorite thing. Some Xannies. Yeah, and I'm going to put like a little note on the door. Senor, you no pay your bill, so no more tin shack for you. I left all your shit outside, pendejo. And yeah, I want to have a little cutscene with Ralph being kicked out, and then that'll be the start of the game. I don't know, I haven't really thought too far into it, but yeah, I gotta have a little town area for him to walk around in and just test stuff out. But I got that. Pretty proud of that. Clog who? I don't know who that is. I think I got one for Cobra too. Let me see if I can find it. Oh, that's right, the bottle. I gotta export that. Let's grab that and export it. File, export, GLTF, and we'll say include selected objects. Let's see, we got Beardson Beardly. I made his model, but I never used it. The Godot project. Let's go to... I guess I should put it in common models. We'll call this Big Grift Brew. Big Grift Brew. What do you think about Nick Fuentes? Does he have any money left? Oh, really? You could get nailed for the Xanax thing? That would make sense. I'll call it like Tanex or Xanax with a Z on both of them. 100 tablets. There's no way they give you 100 tablets at a time. Holy shit. That's a lot. Damn, that would be... what is that, like a whole week for Ralph? Okay. Yeah. Okay, alright. So, let me see if I can find that other scene real quick. Open, don't save. I just want to see if I still have it. Forest scene, radio, tree, walls. I think if I go Cobb's Cookery. Oh yeah, let me show this off. This was a, well, this is actually on my channel, whatever. I'm not going to show that off. That's stupid. Here we go, Cobb's Cookery. I have this, this model made of Cobra's old apartment. I was so sad when he got kicked out. But yeah, I want to make this somehow work in the game. And I was thinking of like, this is like the dumbest thing in the world. But, like Kingdom Come Deliverance, when you're like building the spells, I think it would be really funny to have, like, you know, you have the kitchen over here and King Cobra building his spells. Building all of his disgusting food on the rancid countertop and dirty sink. Those are my favorite videos, how he would always put the phone just out of reach so everything could never be seen. And he would be like, yeah, Tubes, look at that. And it would just be a dirty, disgusting wall. And it's like, yeah, dude, hell yes. We love you, Cobra. But yeah, actually I will show the other one. Hold on, let me open that up. Let's do the Cobb's cutscene real quick. And I'll just play this. This was like an early... Oh, this doesn't have the sound, though. Maybe not. There's no sound for me. Yeah, the sound is missing down here. That's weird.
Cobra, you're the best smelling gothic bad boy wizard there is. I was the girl you overheard years ago. Come to me, Cobra. I'll be waiting for you in our special place. In my restless dreams, I see that town. Merida, Mexico. Take this Greyhound ticket and come find me, Cobra. This medallion will help guide you.
Definitely not the trolls.
Yeah, there's supposed to be music playing, so it's not so fucking lifeless. But,
Yeah, we're gonna rock this show. We're gonna rock it real good.
yeah, I was trying to come up with some type of storyline to get King Cobra down to Mexico. The idea for the game was that a few of the cows kind of align in Mexico. you know, due to unforeseen circumstances, and then they're kind of out of money, and it's up to the player to manage them back to some type of state, and you got to control them or whatever. That was a very loose concept that I came up with while I was stoned, and you know, it's still going. So I guess we'll take a look. We'll take a look at this shit now. Let me put on some music and figure out what I'm trying to do. Here we go. We need to remove the select enemy text for B. That's right, the liquor bottle, the damn liquor bottle. We wanted to put that in with Ricada. That was something fun to do. Nick Ricada. We'll add this in. I guess it will just appear above his head. I don't really have any drinking. Damn, I forgot to grab like a drinking animation. Use item, what does that do? Do we have like a... I'm sure we have like a happy. And I'll just have him like, you know, yeah. Yeah, I'll just have him like jumping around. Do we have a longer one than that? Anger. What do those look like? I need one where he's like, you know, flailing around, and then I want to have the liquor bottle appear above him. Oh man, none of those really look that good. Maybe I'll do a dance. The dance would be good. Yeah, dude, the chicken dance. Dance for me, Ricada. Dance for your liquor. I think that's the one. Yeah, we'll do that one. Dance B. Okay, so we just need to enact that. Let's see. It'll be in the enemy class, and then we'll move it back over to the Ricada. So, nm.play, what was that? Dance C? Dance C. Nice. And then we need to make the bottle. So let's bring the Big Grift in. The Big Grift Brew. Where's that at? Awesome. Let's go to 3D and we'll bring that right in here. What? I love how it's a giant object. Make local. Awesome. So we don't need all that. We just need this. We can delete that. Boom. And then we'll go here. Go to the transform. Put it back to 0. And I'm actually going to lift it up just a little bit. And let's make some type of particle around it. So we'll go particles. Do we have any particles we can use, or should we'll just fucking make them? Whatever. I'm gonna make the simplest ones possible. I'm just gonna make some spears. And then we'll okay, I think I want a... Oh, we can do a ring. Rings are pretty awesome. What else do we want? Where's like gravity and shit? They changed it all up. Particle flags. Animated velocity. Damn. Directional velocity. Interesting. What if I do -1? I want them to go upwards. What? Where is... Damn. That's not great. Hold on. Yeah, new particles material. Spawn. Velocity. Where the hell is gravity? accelerations. There we go, gravity. I want it to be negative 9.8. Oh wait, positive, sorry. I want it to go up. And I want the spread to be more. Maybe we'll do that. And we'll go with, let's see, I guess we're going to do I think we'll do a sphere. That'll make more sense. I'm going to make these smaller. Let me see how big that is in the actual scene. We'll say this as beer, big grift brew, big grift brew. And I think that should be in common models, and we'll save it there. Oh yeah, how's Masterson doing? I heard he had a meltdown the other day. How big is this in relation? I guess Vito's still on that show. Shaun the Sheep is gone. Shaun had like a moment of clarity and was like, what in the absolute fuck am I doing? I need to vacate the premises. I need to run for the hills. Big grift. Let me do that. Big grift. Brew. Awesome. And I'm gonna make this much bigger. So the scale. Nice. We'll set the scale to 1, and we'll set the particles to be larger as well. Maybe I'll just have them coming out of the top, kind of like suds or whatever. I just kind of wanted something so it's not so, you know, something moving in there. And of course we can put an animation on this. I don't think I will though. I don't know. I think I'm going to do this. I'm going to grab the surface. I'm going to grab the second one. And where it says emission, I'm going to go enabled. And I'm going to grab the quick load and biggriff.png. That way that one actually has like some color to it, and we can make this a little bit easier to see. Just because I spent all the time making that meme. So we'll go bam right there, and now you can actually see it, and it'll have some personality to it. We'll grab these particles. We'll make a new standard material. I think I just want to add a little bit of transparency. Some uses albedo. We're gonna make it like a yellow, maybe like a almost like a brown, I guess, for like beer bubbles or whatever. I don't know, I'm not good with colors. Kind of amberish, that looks good to me. We'll go with here, I need to make it more see-through as well, kind of like that. And let me go click off it and then click back to it and change up our particles. Can we have them like get smaller as they go? Display scale, scale curve, new scale curve, grab it, click here, and then we'll go to like 0 or like 1, somewhere in there. Awesome. That looks good to me. And so now if I go back to the Nick scene and I instance in the big grift brew TSCN. We put that right here. So nice, yeah. I think Ricada will dance around. We'll have that appear, and we'll have the thing show up. I think I'm going to make it just a little bit bigger, because DSP's nose was pretty big, so we might as well have this really big. Alright, big grift. Let's go 2. And if I save it here, I think it should update over there, right? Yeah. There we go. That's kind of more like what I'm looking for. Let's move the particles. And okay, that's not bad. I am going to add some type of sound effect in the future, but let's see what it does now. Okay. Nice. Let's go ahead and get it out of here for now. and then we'll just spawn it in. Enemy class. Lick the bottle. I'm actually going to grab these two. I'm going to hit Control X and bring them into Ricada right here. I'm going to Control V. We're going to save that. And then I'll go back to my enemy class, and we're going to have to override this. Control C. I'm going to grab all of this right here. Control C, and then we'll go back to Ricada, and we'll override that function there. So that should work, I believe. Nice, and then we'll have to do that for each enemy. That way we can have separate attacks. Awesome. So now I can load in our prop here. So I'll say bottle. We'll go at on ready var bottle, and say equals, and then we gotta say load, and we're gonna go big grift TSCN. Awesome. Cool. And then I can actually maybe it's form attack, play, show move. Interesting. Dance C. Oh, that's right. The animation itself spawns the stuff on that, but on here we're gonna spawn it here. So we're gonna say var big grift brew equals bottle dot instantiate okay, and then we'll say I guess, what are we gonna do? Add child bottle big grift brew, my bad, and then we'll say big grift brew dot position dot y plus equals 5. So that'll just bring it up, I think, possibly. Alright, so let's try that. That should spawn it in, and then we should also add it to the group. We should say big grift brew dot add to group, if I can actually type correctly. And that should be Ricada props. Ricada props. I'm probably going to spell his name a million different times because it's very hard to remember. It's what, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 whole letters. Impossible. Okay. And we just need to come up here and... oh, we already have... we'll add it to this group. Bam. And then we need to do the same thing up here, basically. Yeah, I think we're actually just going to copy this entire thing, paste it right here, and then all we have to do is say dance C. Dance C, and then we're actually... we don't have to hit any enemies in range, just because... our thing only heals us, so we don't actually do any damage to anyone. So we can get rid of that. I'm just going to leave it in there for now to remind myself. We might have to put a heal. I can't remember what's doing the heal. But yeah, we'll try it out. And we'll go ahead and start it. Nice. Load game. I hope they add asset streaming to the rendering. I'm actually not sure what you mean by that. Asset streaming. Sounds complicated though. All right. We'll engage. Ricada should.
Have fun. Make fun of me.
I don't know why he walks over there because he really doesn't need to, because it's not going to affect us anyway. Oh, let me turn this down. Nice.
Nick Ricada uses.
Yeah, that means I don't have a voice clip for that. And then once the animation finishes, is the shit going to dissipate? Or does the... oh, that's right.
Ricada uses.
Oh, he used it 2 times in a row because he has enough battle points. Let's see. Let's see if he does it again. I think he's got 3 battle points, so he's probably going to do it 3 times. Oh my god, he's got 6 battle points.
Ricada uses.
Great. Oh, okay, that makes more sense. Open world games. Yeah, asset streaming. I guess that would be like when you're kind of like loading more land in, you know, as you're moving. It sounds like to me. I'm just guessing. All right, it should be done. That should be. You should only have 6 fucking points, so
Have fun. Make fun of me.
Ricada
that's the last one, I swear. Okay. Okay, Ricada, you can stop dancing for us. We need you to exit your turn.
Have fun. Make fun
Okay, fuck you, Ricada. I know you're not going to leave the turn now. I don't think... That's right, we're not subtracting from his battle points at all when we call the spell. So you could just keep doing that for eternity. Nice. Nice. Let's go ahead and do that then. Where do we... we should probably put this to like 25. And where are we actually subtracting? If I go to enemy class and I look up, let's see, I'm just trying to figure out where I subtract my battle points, and I'm pretty sure it's in here. If I return this, create increment strategy, awesome. Enact battle dict. If battle points is greater than or equal to entries in the battle strategy dict, awesome. Okay. So this is where we're subtracting it. Let me just print out. We should probably just update it here at the end of this. Let's just leave a little thing. Update battle points. Nice. So I'm actually gonna take a break real quick. I'm just going to leave Ralph dancing on the screen, and I might even play tax free. I think that's gonna be really funny. Let me put something up. No, I'm not gonna play tax free. That's too much. But we'll get something going. Let's do some metal. Oh, you know what we're gonna do? I got something. Killstream song metal version. This is gonna be a blast from the past, dude. All right, yeah, I'll be right back.
Try the Double Sonic Smasher and at a half price drink in the app. Live free, eat Sonic.
You wanna live free?
The deeper the pain, love slipped through his fingers like drops in the rain. His wife left home, couldn't.
Okay, yeah, I'm back. Alright. So, for anyone who didn't watch the kill stream, that was the kill stream intro for a long time. Back when it was actually a show, which had like segments and viewers and shit. When Jim would come on. But those days are long gone. Just like the days of the Donga tribe. So, nice. Awesome. What are we even fucking doing? Let's get back to it. We had, we were running it. Let me put back on the art list music. Hopefully that's not too loud. I hiked up the music a little bit in OBS. Probably is. Alright, that's probably fine, right? If it's not, I guess whatever. Cool. So now we're running again. Oh, shit. Gotta fix that. I basically have to put a character active when we first spawn into the scene instead of just randomly active. Like, once we click on them, not randomly. But it really fucks up the whole thing. We gotta get Cyrax in. I had attacks for him. I wanted to get Cobra in today, but I don't know if we're gonna do it. We'll grab DSP. So did we fix where it subtracts the battle points? I don't think we did. We didn't even mess with that, did we? Shit, so... Okay, let me go back to the enemy class. Let's figure that out. Cool. So we are enacting the battle dick. This is where we subtract the battle points. I'm just going to do a print statement, and I'm going to say, let's do self.name has, and then we'll say battle points. Yeah. Yeah, and then I'm going to put battle points here so it looks nice and pretty. Battle points. Probably spelled incorrectly, it doesn't matter. So I would just want to print what it is going into here and what it is coming out, because I feel like this is where we subtract it, but because of this line right here, I just want to make sure there's nothing funny going on somewhere else. May look insane, but it should be okay. And I also need to update this somehow, like in our UI. Where is a good place in our UI to update this thing? If I go to my camera holder, when I go to the 2D, this is kind of what we're seeing. I don't know. Maybe I should I have the battle manager up there. I should probably make that a little bit bigger. So let's go ahead and run it again. All right, load in. Okay, we'll rechecking. That's right. We got to see if Rakatieta does anything. Okay, so awesome. I know I need to get rid of a lot of this shit right here. Yeah, let me do that. Let me get rid of all this dumbass print statement right there. So that's somewhere in our game manager, I think, looking for yeah, I think it's I basically, like, I'm looping through all the text files to see like which ones I can use to get like something to attack with, like the voice lines, but I don't have it. I just don't know why I did it that way. Update active character, instantiate UI, get date, get spell stats, get base data. I guess what would it be called? Let me take a look at my singletons. Globals, I got game manager, game loader. Let's take a look at that. Okay, so that's pretty easy. It just loads CSVs. Okay. Enemy class. If I go yeah, hold on. Workada announcer.form attack. I think it's this function right here, because that would make sense. Announcer. So announcer is a singleton. Project settings. Announcer. I forgot about this. Cool. Yeah, this is where all the prints are coming from. Because I think we're loading matching string. Yeah, so we're going through all the files to see if we found it. And I don't think we ever found the matching file. I'm just going to print the found file, because that'll help. That'll actually help us. I'm going to say found sound file with a capital F. There we go. Wonderful. Cool. So let's go ahead and I guess we'll try that again. I'll have to make more sound clips. I'm going to put that on the notepad. make the lick the bottle sound clip in Audacity. I keep trying to save it. All right, let's run it. Cool. I wonder how bad Creator Clash 3 is going to flop with the lineup they have, and I was watching that on the last Kino episode, and it's just, that was very entertaining to me. Just thinking about iDubbbz and Anissa. All right, Ricada, come on, you can do it. You can print out what I want to see.
Use it.
Looks like we're still printing out a whole bunch of stuff. Let me Control C. I'm gonna copy this, and we'll Control V, paste that here. Why are we printing out every single thing we find? Oh, because it's not tabbed over. There we go. I'm an idiot. All right. Let's get it if we find the file. Alrighty. Give it another load back up. And we will see. Load the game. When I make Dick Masterson for this, should I add him in as as Juju the cow in character? Or should that be like an ability where he dons Juju the cow and he that gives him some type of stat bonus?
Have fun. Make fun of me all you want.
Oh my god, Ricada, walk a little bit slower, sauntering. You fuck. Oh yeah, I wanted to make the Medicare character as well. Okay. So it looks like we're not getting to that area we thought we were getting to. Nice. Cool. So let me do that, and I'm going to play some music. This is Tejeda. This is my favorite from Artlist. Alright. What do we even need to do? Nice. Cool. That's right. We need to go back to our game manager and see where that shit we were printing off at. Actually, it was our enemy class. Battle points. It was right here. We were trying to get into here, but I guess we're not getting to this. Oh, we're not using the battle strategy dict anymore. I think we're using the increment strategy. This is like an old function that's not used. Yeah. Let me... Old function... Maybe... remove... Winky face. That ought to do it. That ought to fix my code, and then we'll just close that up. Actually, I'm going to bring this. I need this. But yeah, let's take a look at battle points. Awesome. So we do have 6 of them. And what if I look for battle points spelled this away? Minus equal increment strategy spell 10. So that would be it right there. So I guess now we'll say bam, right there. Whoops. Let's do that. So this will be before, and then this one will be right after we increment it. Is that a really dumb thing to do, to have both of those right there? I guess. I just want to see if it's like staying the same or something, or if we're adding to it. It could be that we're adding to it every turn somehow on accident. But yeah, we're going to give that a shot. You know what though? That's why it's not going, because we're not running this function anymore. We're running the other one. So we actually need to Control C, copy this, go back to our enemy, which is Ricada. I should have named that script a little better. But we now need to put this down here, and now we should be subtracting our battle points. That makes sense. Makes a lot of sense. Okay, let's give it a shot. Give it a go. Is it running? Are we going? Load it up. Okay, come on, Ricada, it's time to duke it out. Let's see, what's our output? 5 battle points, awesome. Now we gotta wait till he does it again. And there's our big grift, it's too high now. Just like Ricada, far too high. Oh, let me stop that. Is he still dancing from the first one? He is. Okay, 4 battle points. I have to see if he ends or not. And the reason there's like a little pause in between the animations is there's I have a little timer for like, it's called like enemy thought timer, so they think for like a second, because it's really annoying when they just spam through everything. It's kind of a pain in the ass. Nice. And the reason he says uses but then says nothing, it's because that sound clip doesn't exist, so I need to make a sound clip saying lick the bottle. Awesome. He has 2 battle points left, people. Great. What is the debugger saying? What are you even mad about? Always mad about something. Okay. Well, don't worry about that. It's not a big deal. One battle point. He's only got one. He's got one lick of. He's got one lick of the bottle left. What are you gonna do then, Ricada? All right, come on. There we go. So you end turn. Alright, so we are in the group. Ethan, Ralph, awesome. Cam has entered turn-based player state. Nice. So we fixed some stuff there. That's pretty sick. Pretty awesome. Pretty cool. I think that's probably where I'm going to end it for tonight, just because I got to work tomorrow. But yeah, this is looking good. I like where this is going. I'm sure a lot of people don't, but I do. So, anyway, have a good one. Happy Wednesday. Hope you have a happy rest of the week. We got to move DSP's label up, too. It's on the ground. It's not fit for a king. King Dave would be a really funny character. But yeah, I'm going to make some more models. I'll have more characters in here. It'll be a lot of fun. Yeah. But peace out, everyone. Have a happy day. Hope your day and week goes great. All right, later.